Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Fold5, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling down to access advanced features. Now click on one-handed mode and tap on the switcher at the top in order to activate it. Then scroll all the way down. Click on gesture or button to decide which option is better for you to reduce display size. I will go with button, so I have to click and follow all of the instructions below it. Double tap the home button. So when I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is now on. You can always resize it by holding one of its corners and dragging it. When you find the perfect size, let go. You can even move it around by holding this line at the top and dragging it, or tapping on this icon on one of its sides. Last but not least, in order to go back to standard size screen, click on blurry area. In order to disable one-handed mode completely, go into the same settings and tap on blue switcher at the top. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!